Thank you for joining ArcherPoint today. We'll be walking you through on how to find out which version of Microsoft Dynamics NAV you're using. Navigate to the application menu as shown here. Click on this drop-down arrow at the top left of the screen. Click Help and click About Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Here, you'll see that I have Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2017 version 10.0. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions, please contact ArcherPoint. Thank you and have a good day.
Thanks for watching this NAV Now video. If you found this helpful, please check out our website at www.getnavhelp.com. Otherwise, feel free to also check out our ArcherPoint website at archerpoint.com. Additionally, if you have any questions regarding our products, services, or information in this video, feel free to email us at info@archerpoint.com. Thank you.